Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. However, Fremont Lee here. Views and opinions expressed in this video are mine. Those are the person saying it. That's me, Fremont Lee. How you doing? I'm doing this from my car after work right now because when I get home, I will not be alone. Somebody will be there because my brother took the day off, so he'll be home. He took it off for a reason, and because of what's going on right now with the thing and no groups over 10 or whatever, they had to be canceled. So, but he still took the day off. Hope all is well with you. Hope things are good. I got pizza Monday. Kind of want pizza today too, but I probably don't. I don't need it. Not 2 days in a row. I posted a picture on Facebook of, I think, from 9 or 10 years ago of myself. I was heavier then. I've worked out. I'm not as heavy, but I'm not, I think I'm a little more toned. I have been working out. Not gung ho, but hey. It is August. It is August 5th. I do hope all is well with you. This may not be a long video today because I'm just warming up my car, letting it get flowing from having sat all night. Hope all is well with you. I know I've said that already, but I really do hope all is well with you. I'm not blowing smoke. I am sincere when I say that. I don't know why people post that on. I've had two people, or same person, I have no idea, posted hot babes on my YouTube channel in a response. And I don't know why. They don't. I mean, I'd like it to happen naturally. I'd like to meet them, in person and get to know them. I'm not looking for I don't want to say a one-off. Or, more like a one-night stand type thing. Or it's probably one of my problems. And if I did meet someone, I sure as hell wouldn't want to take her back to my apartment because don't mind my brother. He's just taking a nap on the couch. It's a twin bed. It's just barely enough room for myself. I don't roll around a lot anymore, as far as I know. I tend to wake up in the same spot I fell asleep in, so unless I fall and I'm on the floor, in which case I've hit my head on the garbage can, which isn't metal, so that's good. In a previous video, I mentioned that, I think in a previous video, it's been over a year, 2 years, I was coughing so hard that I couldn't stop coughing, and I woke up on the floor. My head hurt, and I didn't know why. And I was thinking, what happened to the song I was listening to? I wasn't listening to a song. I think I had something from the movie Grease stuck in my head. So, but I started coughing, and when I came to, I guess would be the proper wording, my, those popcorn tins that come out like usually around Halloween, Christmas. I was using one of those as my trash can in my bedroom. The reason my head hurt was because I landed on it. Bent the shit right out of it. Just. I threw it away because there was no fixing that. And it definitely explained why my head hurt. uh, I hope all's well with you. I hope, you're staying hydrated. It's a little bit cold right now this morning. I don't want to say it's really cold here in Michigan, but it's August, so who knows? Be like that song by the Brady Bunch. It just might snow, or whatever the thing. Flowers can turn to sunshine and whatever. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've heard it. 'Cause it's time to change. That part I remember. Peter's voice was changing and they just included that in a song. Uh, I have lettuce. I did some grocery shopping. Although it's kind of cold here in the car, so it shouldn't be a problem. Have fun. Take care. Have a good day or good evening, good afternoon. Thanks for watching.